everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another Zara haul for you guys. I'm going to be showing you some of the things that they have in their new in collection and some of the items that I was able to cop in their sale section. So if you guys like these types of videos, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. And also you can follow me on my Instagram where I post lots of fun things, updates, and outfit inspiration. So you can go ahead and follow me there. And let's get started. All right, so the first thing I got is this crop top here. And I really like it because I've been on the hunt for a nice lace black crop top because you can put it under so many things and it just makes your outfit that much more elegant. It just adds this, mystery to your outfit. And so I've been looking for one that I really like that would fit me well, especially in the chest area. And this is great because it does have adjustable straps, so that's great. And it's also stretchy, and so it really adjusts nicely to your body. This one is a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I do like the idea. I like the crochet. You guys can probably tell that I'm such a huge fan of that. But this one was a little bit riskier for me to take because honestly, any kind of crop top that has like a heart shape or like a bustier, I'm not sure how to pronounce that word, kind of fit or cut usually doesn't sit well on my body, although I really like that kind of cut. So I decided to take a risk with this one just to see how it would fit me. And okay, the bust area was great. It fits me perfectly. However, I didn't understand what was really going on with the straps because they're extremely long for my body, and even if I pulled the back part a little bit lower, it's still too loose for me. So the straps were really long in my case, although the bust area fits me perfectly. So I don't really understand the proportion sizing when it came to this, but it could be just on my body type. So if you have a similar body type, you're likely gonna experience something like that. But I really love the design, and I had so many outfit ideas when I saw this. It's just, it didn't fit me well, but I do want to get it tailored so that the straps aren't falling. So I'll give you an update once I have it altered and I can show you guys some of the outfit ideas then. It's too bad because I think out of all the outfits, I think that's one of the most versatile, out of all the pieces, that's one of the most versatile ones that I could picture in my head. But upon receiving it, it was really disappointing to see that the straps are really loose. It's not something that you can't have fixed, of course. That's not the case. But of course, if you're paying that amount of money, you want to have it basically already done, no problems. But I understand that everyone has different body shapes and body types, and so it could be just my experience, but if you have a similar body shape as I do, then just keep that in mind when you're getting it. Okay, next thing I got is this crop top. Now, this is not something I would normally get, but well, I wouldn't normally get it because I don't usually wear pinks like this. I just feel like Barbie colors in general, I tend to stray away from them. I don't know, I'm just not usually comfortable with this kind of color on me, but I really like it. I have to say, when I put it on, I just felt like summer. I felt like vacation, and I have to say the fit is amazing. Cool thing about it too is the sleeves. You can rock it on your shoulders or you can rock it off your shoulders, and either way it's cute. But personally, I think I like it better off the shoulder. It just gives this really like Southern Belle kind of vibe, and I really like that. It just very chic, and at the same time gives you this vibrant aura, like you're just ready to have fun in life. And so I really like it, and you can pair this with so many different bottoms. So I really wasn't expecting to like it as much as I did when I received it, especially since it fit really nicely. All right, next thing I have here is this black crochet top, and I told you guys I was experimenting more with different materials and things like that. This is definitely more within my zone of what I would wear and what I would like. Or what really caught my attention was definitely the details and the patterns and the design on it. So you can't really see it just off the bat like this, but when you see it on the person, it just gives this nice silhouette, and you can wear like a black tank top underneath or a nude underwear, so that, like, depending on what you're going for, it just gives this really, again, this mysterious vibe, and I really like that. So this you can pair with many different things. It's a black blouse, but it just makes things more interesting because of the crochet and the details. So I love this. This is definitely more up my lane. The last thing I got is this raincoat. So I've been eyeing this raincoat for some time, but at the time that I first saw it, I was like, I don't know if I want to pay that amount. And it finally went on sale, and so I was so happy when I saw it on sale and I was able to get my size. I do have a raincoat. If you guys didn't see my first Zara haul video, it's in that one. It's this nice sea green. I'll put a clip. But this one, I really wanted this because it's a lot longer and it's really nice. It has normal trench coat cut, and I saw these straps and I was like, what is this? And so sometimes, in case you didn't know, if you're ever in a storm or when the rain is just pouring and it's extremely windy, you guys ever have that experience where the sides just kind of flap and you're kind of going like this to keep it on? So I'm guessing this is what it's for, is to just keep your coat on. Of course, there's always the zipper option, but if you want to keep it open, because you know sometimes jackets are way nicer when you leave them open, then you have that option, and then you can make sure that it stays on you. So I like that little added feature. I also like the color, and it looks like a nice coat. It doesn't look like your typical raincoat, and I like that because you can wear it just as a jacket, and should it rain, if you don't know what the weather's like, then this coat really is for you, because it's gonna save you. If you didn't think it was gonna rain and you just wanted to wear it because it's just really nice, well then, this is multifunctional, and should it rain, you're good. Also, cool function is that you can adjust it in the waist, so you can keep it as loose as you want, as tight as you want. Gives you that shape that you want. If you want a more cinched in waist look, you have that option. So I like options. You also have pockets, you know, just to put in the goods and make sure that they're also not soaked in the rain. So I'm really liking this one right now. I still haven't had a chance to actually wear it in the rain, so we're gonna see if it's waterproof. I think so. It feels like it, but I'll give you guys an update if that's not the case. Okay, this piece right here, when I looked at it, I have to tell you guys a story because it's so funny to me. Now, for me, sweaters are my thing, especially cropped sweaters. Like, I can never go wrong with them. That's my mindset because you can do anything with it. You can wear it at home. You can just go outside really quickly, put it on, you're good. So that's what I was thinking when I got this cropped sweater. And I don't know, but on the picture of the sweater itself, it just looked a little longer. And when I got this one, I was just surprised at how short it actually is. It's not what I was expecting, so I can't say that I love it because I don't like how it fits. I did get it in a size small. I like the neck part. I like the sleeves lengthwise. I like the material. I love the color. I like everything except the length. It's way too short for me. It's not what I was expecting, but that could be my fault. I was just expecting it to be like your normal crop sweater and nothing less, nothing more, nothing less. It turned out to be a lot less than what I was expecting. So I think this one for me is a miss, mainly because it's not what I was expecting. If you like the kind of cut that's short like this, then it's for you. But I think I'm gonna try going a size up and I'll let you guys know how that goes because I do like everything else. I like the color, I like the shape. The cut is way too small for me, and I'm personally not comfortable with that. It's not what I was looking for. So I don't know. This one I'm definitely gonna return the size. I'm gonna try a bigger size, maybe a medium, maybe a large, and see how that goes, and I'll let you guys know if I like it then or not. But yeah, I was thinking that this would be the one that I would like the most, but it turns out being the one that I like the least. So just be aware of that. If you guys are looking at this sweater, it is super short. You can definitely see your bra. Like, just raise up your hand a little bit, you can see. So if you like that look, go for it. You can wear like a bikini underneath or like a sports bra, but if that's not the look that you're going for, then maybe this is not the sweater for you as well. All right, you guys, that was everything. I hope that you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments down below which pieces you guys liked and what kind of pieces you'd like to see more as well in my future videos, so I can keep that in mind and make sure that I bring it to you guys. So anyway, that was everything. Hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. By the way, I'm loving this shirt right now. It's like my favorite shirt. It's a simple t-shirt. I got this from H&M. And it says Coca-Cola. I'm not even a big fan of Coca-Cola, but I do like to drink it when I eat pizza. But it's just, I really like the color and I liked how the logo looked on it. Just thought I'd share that with you guys.